Before cleaning your i4311 printer, remove your label and ribbon materials. Always power off the printer and remove the battery. You will need a bottle of isopropyl alcohol and foam swabs, or Brady's pre-moistened cleaning swabs. You may also need the cutter cleaning tool included with your printer. First, clean the printhead area. Use an alcohol-soaked swab to wipe the black, green, and silver areas, as well as the silver rollers, until they are free of debris or residue. Do not wipe the bronze-colored area. Next, clean the printer's label sensors. Use a wet swab to wipe the middle sensor and the sensor underneath the label guide. Next, clean the cutter sensor and cutter blade. Pinch the yellow tabs on the cutter mechanism and slide it down. Insert a wet swab and gently wipe the sensor at the top. The cutter blade is directly beneath the sensor. If there is significant residue buildup, first use the cutter cleaning tool to scrape it away. Then, wipe it with wet swabs until the blade is clean. Next, clean the black rubber roller and the print path. Clean the length of the roller with a wet swab. Use your thumb to advance the roller. You will feel resistance, but it won't damage the printer. Continue to wipe and rotate until the entire roller is clean. When done, push the cutter mechanism back up until it's locked into place. For more support, visit our website